we have a word here, pin. If you want to make it into plural, we write pins. S, we add S here. But if the word like box, if I have to make it into plural, I will add ES, boxes. So, why is this the case? Let's learn this. Okay, so while making the plural of certain words, we have to keep few things in mind. Any of the word that ends with these letters like CH, SH, X, S, Z or O, we simply add ES in the end of the words to make them into plural form. And if they end with any other letter others from these, then we are going to add S. Okay, so for example, brush, it ends with SH. So I will add ES to it. Brushes. Church, ES. So churches. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Potato, potatoes. And buzz, buzzes. So the words which end with SH, CH, S, X, O and Z, you will add ES to those words, and all the other words, mostly all the other words that end with other letters will have S in their plural forms. For example, dreams, flowers, shoes, dogs, cats, goats. So I hope this is clear with you. So do not do these mistakes again in your plural form. And if you want to learn more such videos, then follow us for more informative content.